Hi there, esteemed crafters. So we have another craft today. So this lovely um what do you call it? Should be ceramic um fingering. I believe that's what it's called. So this one is for pepper and salt. Don't know whether it's actually meant to use for pepper and salt or but I just use it to decorate my dining. It was a gift from my sister and okay. So I want to see if E7000 is going to work to glue this. So let's see. Let's put our E7000 and we give it a little bit of time to dry. Do I know? Okay, yeah, okay. So just a little bit of time to dry. Meanwhile, I have other videos on glues. I would be dropping the playlist at the end of this video so you can check it and see what glues are good for what, properties and all that, the difference between some particular glues and this, that. I have E7000, so most of the times now when anything gets whatever in the house, I make use of it and it gets me know what it can actually do. This one is by Zendila. Um, yeah, and it's clear, multi-purpose adhesive, plenty, whatever. But look at it very well. Can you see it? Sorry, my nose is. I think I did some things with dust today, so okay. Bravo! It works. It works. Eh? Well, of course, you need to leave it for 24 hours to cure. But perfect. So it's good with ceramic. All right.